Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj Roy. Today we are doing cosine rule, the part of the further trigonometry. In cosine rule, what we required a non-right angle triangle. In non-right angle triangle, what is a relation between these sides, small letters and capital angles? Like in cosine rule, what we required three sides. It means all three sides will be involved. All three sides will be involved and any one angle will be used. So it means the cosine rule is the relation between the three sides and one angle. But actually the main important thing is how we can make a formula to find the side or the angle. Just go through it. If I want to find the side by using cosine rule, what we need, like in non-right angle triangle, if I want to find suppose side A will be A square is equals to, then A will not be used in right hand side. We have to use the other two sides. Like A is already used, I will use B and C like this. B squared plus C squared, then minus 2 times B and C. Like same sides which we have used in right hand side. B and C, I will not use A again. In right hand side, B square C square minus 2BC, and I have to use, because of the cosine rule, so I have to use cos. But most important thing, which angle I will use, angle A, angle B or angle C. But when you want to find side A, the side A means the opposite angle will be used here, angle A. So this is the way to make the formula to find the side. Like A square, you have to use angle A. Suppose when you want to use B square, like B want to find and you have to make the root when at the end. I will give an example. B square is equals to, I will not use B again. So I will use A and C. So I mean A square plus C square, then minus 2 times A and C. Then which angle will be used with cos? We have to use, like if we have used B, side B, I will use opposite angle of B, that is cos B. So in this way, we can also make the formula to find C. I will use angle C to get the formula. This is a way to make the formula to find the side in cosine rule. I want to move now how we can make a formula to find the angle, because before starting any of the questions we have to make sure that what is the formula in cosine rule. Okay, angle, as we have this triangle, right, like non-right angle triangle here. Cosine rule, I have to use cos angle A first of all. Like this is like I will explain how we can make the formula. When we use cos A, with cos A, I will use opposite side of the cos A. Like this opposite side is A. A square will be always negative. This is very important. When you use angle A, the negative A square, the opposite side will be minus. Then you have to use B and C with plus sign. B square plus C square minus A square. It means when we have angle A, the opposite side will be minus in the third position. Then divided by 2BC. This is the way to make the formula to find the angle. Even if you want to find like angle B, the cos B will be there. Then what is there? Which side will be negative square? Opposite to B is small b. Then I will not use B again. I will use A and C, then divided by 2AC. So this is the way that we can also make the formula to find C. Then I side and cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. So this is the way we have done. Now how we can make the formula in to find the side and to find the angle. Now I would like to give one example here. Suppose this is one example. In this example, you can see that all sides are given. As I told you, in cosine rule, we required all sides, even is given or not, but it should be involved. All three sides here are given, and requirement is to find this angle. So if you want to find this angle, I am just writing the formula of angle first of all, because we are finding angle. This is a formula of angle. I'm not worried. Please don't worry. Just use cos A, cos B, or cos C. Just write a formula first of all. By using B, B square will be negative. That's it. Then what you required here to find? I want to find theta, so I will write cos theta. And which side will be negative? Just decide. Don't think about the formula. You have done it that when we need to find this angle, the opposite side will be minus. So I will use what? Minus 14 square in the third position. After this, like two remaining sides I have to use here and divided by the same. 6 squared plus 9 squared minus 14 squared is there because of this theta, and 2, 6 and 9. One most important thing here, when you use calculator, please put the value in this way, or you can use the bracket for each side. Now, when I find theta, cos will be cos inverse, and the whole value you will write here, and then cos inverse. When you substitute, even, it's very important that your calculator should be in degree mode. Degree mode, that's very important, not in radian or radian mode. Degree mode, okay? Then theta will be 137.0 degrees, and that's your result to find the angle. Now I'm going to use how we can find the side when three sides are involved. You can see three sides are involved, all three sides, because two sides are given and one side is required. So it means all three sides are involved, and most important thing, the opposite angle is not given. Whatever you want to find, which side you want to find, the opposite angle should be involved. But here, okay, let's see first start, what's the formula to find the side. I'm just writing a general formula, like a square then cos a, and I have discussed with you how to make the formula. Okay, now when I substitute the value, a square is your x square. Okay, then other two sides are 8 and 10, 8 and 10, then 8 and 10. I'm just writing all the values here. Okay, now, angle I am not writing. Why? Because we required not 40 degree, not 30 degree. We required opposite angle. That's very important thing. When you want to find x squared, I want to use the opposite angle. When you want to find this side, I have to use this angle. When you want to find this side, I have to use this angle. So we required this angle. How can we find this angle? We know the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 40 plus 30 is 70 degrees. When I add 70 and minus from 180, that's coming what? 110 degrees. This 110 I will use here. After using this values, I will put the whole value in the calculator and just getting this results. Then when I want to remove the square, I have to put square root in right hand side, and I put using calculator, that's your result, 14.8 centimeter, and that's your result. So this is the way that we have done how to find the angle and how to find the side. This was the explanation. In further trigonometry, we have done the cosine rule. When you think this video is useful for you, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and do not forget to press the bell icon button so that you can receive my new videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.